In a courtroom where every word counts, one defendant faces multiple charges, from trespassing to resisting an officer. 3 cases. 3 separate sets of stakes. As the judge reviews the evidence, bonds are set, orders are issued, and the tension rises. Every detail is questioned, from property damage to public disorder, while arguments clash over what truly counts as a crime. With the gavel ready to strike, each ruling could change a life forever. This is more than a trial, it's a fight for survival under the law.
What page? I'll state. I'm sorry. What page numbers is fires on?
So the state wouldn't object to a dollar bond being that she's got a felony hold.
Got $3 bond.
Today in court, the defendant faced multiple charges, from misdemeanor trespass to resisting an officer.
All right, dollar bond. Ma'am, what is you're here because you were charged with, on case number F256217, you're charged with 1 count of misdemeanor trespass after warning. On case number F2421612, you were also charged with 1 count of trespass property after warning. And on the other case, M252665, we were also charged with 1 count of misdemeanor trespass after warning and 1 count of resisting an officer without violence. I'm going to issue
3 separate cases were laid out, each with its own stakes, as the judge reviewed every count meticulously.
and court finds probable on all counts. What is your
Pardon me?
what is your
Judge, her address is 6034 Collins Avenue, apartment 1136, Miami Beach, Florida 33140.
okay? That's different.
A dollar bond was set for the felony hold, highlighting the seriousness of these charges.
Corrections, $1 on each count on all 3 cases.
Yes, sir.
Next case is Farai Rodriguez Castillo.
Address.
What you said?
What is your address?
Oh, 159, 137 Avenue, Southwest, Homestead, Florida.
What city is that?
Homestead.
How long have you lived in?
The court examined details like property damage and disorderly conduct, debating the evidence thoroughly.
Months.
How much?
11 months. I've been United States all my life, United States, though.
Okay.
I came back 5 years ago and 2 years ago to Miami and then back 11 months
Okay.
ago.
Ms. Hennessy, do you want to say anything?
Your Honor, it's the state's case at this time, and if the state pursues their charges, I'm just here in case they don't.
Your Honor, did you find probable cause on this?
Court finds.
Judge, I have the argument to
Go ahead on which one?
for count 1 specifically, the officer on page 2 of the arrest form, he says that the Axon body worn camera is estimated at $600. He's just giving the market value of the body worn per the statute. It says if the damage to such property,
Arguments focused on whether the actions truly disrupted public order or warranted harsher penalties.
for the disorderly conduct, which is count 3, the A form alleges that she was irate, yelling and screaming, causing a disturbance, causing passengers to turn and look at her. It does not, the A form does not allege that a crowd of persons gathered screaming and yelling is not enough for disorderly conduct. So I'll be arguing for releasing outright on count 3 and lowering count 1, 2, and M2.
So you're contesting count 1? Okay, that'll be denied. And the resisting without, you're saying?
No PC for that argument at this time. We stand mute on the second count. For the third count, there is no allegation of a crowd forming and screaming and yelling.
Ultimately, the judge issued stick-away orders on all properties and determined fines on several counts.
Outrage, the sense of public decency.
State?
No objection, Your Honor. This is the count 3.
Okay. All right, the court finds probable cause count 1. What's the standard on that? 1,000? 500? Okay. Count 1, corrections will be 500. Count 2 is 500. 500. And you guys still use RO when there's, okay. No PC on count 3.
In the end, the courtroom echoed with tension as each ruling balanced justice and procedure.